What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shatira. I'm back with another video and today I'm here to do a hair review with you all. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So if you don't know, I did a hair review on Vallbest hair, their 613 hair. Not so long ago, y'all, they did send me some hair. Wow. So I don't even know what to say. Y'all, so this is the hair they sent. This is the hair they sent. But y'all, look how they played me with the part. Look how they played me with the part. That ain't even no part. It's not even a part. This is the inside. It doesn't have any combs, but it does have that adjustable strap in the back. Y'all, let me put this wig on for y'all. Okay. And she is on regardless of this part. This is why I chose to still do the hair review, because regardless of how it looks, the hair still feels pretty good. And shoot, I'm not about to try this experiment on not on one of my good wigs. Not on one of my good wigs. So I was like, shoot, this hair is not wearable. I did not pay for this hair, so I'm honestly not even mad. But hey, it is suitable for my hair experiment today. So I watched the video. All the videos that I've seen, they use it on their actual hair. I didn't see anybody use it on weave. Again, if anybody knows anything about bleaching hair, dyeing hair, lifting hair, whatever you want to call it, the lady used baking soda and she added shampoo in it. Now, I'm not really too sure why she added shampoo, and I'm not going to add shampoo into my concoction. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you what you all will need. I do have some baking soda. I'm going to add some developer to mine. I have a 20 volume developer. And I'm going to add in some of this L'Oreal Total Repair Extreme Conditioner. Just because, again, like when you're bleaching hair, when you're lifting color, you're doing some kind of damage to the hair. So just, again, try to maintain the hair as much as possible. Also a mixing bowl. And of course I'm going to use gloves. So let's go ahead and get the mixture together. So, I'm just pouring, I'm not sure how much, I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to add in the conditioner. That looks good. The developer. Let's see. You want to make sure you get the hair really good and saturated. Okay, so y'all, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see what we got underneath the foil. As you can see, it did not work. The only thing that it did was, I'm not even sure if you can see it, it just lightened it a bit. There are some lighter brown streaks in there. I'm not sure if you can see if that's showing up. That's the only thing that it did. This is going to be the second part of the experiment. I did have some 40 volume developer, but I didn't have much in this one, so I just went and picked up this one. So I'm going to try the 40 volume developer with the baking soda And just so that you guys can see that this kind of hair can be lifted, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this BW2 bleach. This is the actual bleach on the other side of the other. So, okay, round 2. This is baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda. I'm gonna add a little bit of the other one first. There's literally nothing in here. And y'all, the only difference between developers that what I understand is that it's gonna be processing time. The higher you go, the higher chance it is to damage your hair though. It could process really fast, but it could also damage your hair in the process. So I'm gonna add this to, see, that was probably too much. Let's give this a mix. That's decent. That's decent. Good consistency. Okay, so in my other pan, my other mixing bowl, this is kind of dirty, but I'm honestly not even worried about it. I am gonna add some of this. There's not a whole lot in here. I'm gonna add 1 scoop because this is an experiment. Definitely want to wear some gloves when you're handling bleach. And also to this, I'm going to add some of this Adore dye. This is going to be similar to, I will wash my, when I rinse this out. I'm probably not going to do it with this hair because I really don't care about this hair. But if I was going to rinse out this hair, I would rinse it out with the, these, and it's just to cancel out that brassiness. So just a little bit in there. This will be purple, of course, when I mix it up. Developer. See, I'll just do one side of the hair with this mixture, and then the other side with the bleach. Okay, mixing up my bleach mixture. And y'all, this smells so bad. Like, I see some people, I watch some people's video. You definitely don't want to do this in an enclosed space with bleach because it's really strong. Literally, it's like bleach. That's a good consistency. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and see what we got when we take the oil off. So we definitely did get a better result this time, just not anything consistent. But you can tell that there are lighter browns in there. And of course on the side where the bleach was, you can see how the hair lifted. Now, this is quite interesting. I'm wondering, because if you can see, only certain strands lifted. See, there's this one. Well, that one pulled right out. There's this one, and then a lot of these are black. So I'm wondering if this is like a blend of hair, because there's no reason why it should skip around like that. Do you get what I'm saying? There's no reason why I should do that. They didn't send me many details on this hair, but I still feel that that's quite interesting. That only a few of these strands lifted.
I found some hair in my hair basket. All of the hair that I purchased is 100% human hair. I'm doing the same steps, taking the same steps using the bleaching powder, the 40 volume developer, and also I'm going to add the rich eggplant dye. And I'm doing this so that you can see what hair should actually look like when it's going to be bleached, and it is 100% human hair. I honestly think that it was an issue with the hair. I should have done the same thing with some hair in my little basket, doing the process with the baking soda and the developer, just to see what kind of difference that I got. I may try it again another day and just see what kind of outcome I get, but yeah, I was fed up at this point.
Okay, y'all, I've been processing this hair for 45 minutes. Okay, y'all, so you can see that the hair lifted pretty nicely. Now, when I'm bleaching hair, especially if I'm trying to get a blonde effect, I will have to lift the hair multiple times. But I just wanted to show y'all that my technique isn't off with bleaching, because you see that this hair is lighter than it was before. So I just wanted to show y'all. Okay. I got this hair from Dora Beauty. I am going to go ahead and do a review on this hair. And I would also like to color this hair. I'm going to make a wig, of course. Yeah, guys, let me know what color you think I should dye this hair in the comment section below. Also, let me know what you think caused the hair to not completely lift. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, of course. And I will see you all in the next one. I'm out. Deuce, deuce.